welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the noise because I'm watching my son. He's asleep at the moment because it's night time, so I've got him on these baby monitor, the VTech one. So as you can see on the title, it's gonna be the unboxing of the MARC JACOBS, the tote bag. So just to give a bit of a background story, we bought this bag so that I can use it. When I say we, me and my husband, basically. So we bought this so I can use it for traveling mainly. And because I didn't want to carry my own bag and then another bag for the baby stuff, like a diaper bag thing, because I didn't want to do that, that's why we bought this MARC JACOBS tote bag. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube. Well, I saw one video and I was like a bit curious, so I searched more, and I feel like this bag kind of will work for me, I guess, because I like big bags and I like to have everything when I'm traveling. Not like everything, but like I want to get the most out of my bag when I'm traveling, so I want a spacious bag. So this is the package, the packaging. I mean, outside it's packed into this just a big box really. So I'm just gonna unbox it. So I bought the large size. Here we go. It says, ooh, it's fancy bags. MARC JACOBS, a fancy box. I mean, MARC JACOBS, it says there. And so when you open it, it's like a big, like this. When you open it, you'll see this. Look at this. I think it's all the paperwork, so then put it in the bag. Oh yeah, like my official receipt. Let's put that away. And ta-da! This is the bag. It's actually big, which is good. Because I was so like, not anxious, but I was anticipating how big it was, like how big it's gonna look like. It's not too bad. I don't find it too big, so it's good. I could just flip it. That's fine. So this is the bag. Ooh, ta-da! So this is a part of the bag. Alright, so that's how the bag looks like. Oh, I love it. I love it. Gosh. I saw a lot of videos that says this bag attracts a lot of lint, especially the color of it. We do have a cat, so I'm like, oh my god, that's gonna be a problem. So I will give you an update with regards to that, because I will basically be using this bag to travel overseas, and this is the only bag that I'll be bringing, because we've got baby with us as well. So I will have everything, not really a baby but a toddler, so we'll have our toddler with us. And yeah, so I will give you an update on how this bag holds up and how useful it's going to be for the trip. So I got the large size, as I've said earlier. So I've got the large size, and it's in the, is that Jacquard? I don't know how to say it, but It's the Jacquard material, and I think there's another color in this one. I think there's a sandy something, and another one is like a, I don't know if it's maroon. But yeah, I think there's 3 colors. But the canvas one will have more color options. I think this one only has 3, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, but I saw videos about this side of the bag where you can put the zipper just there so it doesn't flap over, and you can use this too for your sunglasses or your scarf or anything that you can like clip on there, I guess. And let me just remove this. Oh, look at that. So this one comes in silver hardware. Oop, sorry, please be nice to me because it's I haven't really unboxed a lot of stuff, so sorry if I'm taking too long or if I'm showing you stuff that you don't need to know and sharing stuff that you don't think you need to know. So that's it. Comes into this oh, it's not focusing. There we go. It comes into this silver hardware, and that's the bag, and that's the side of the bag. It's very sturdy, I would say. Very, very sturdy. So let's show you more. So that's the bag there. I don't know if it has dimensions on here. Yeah, so large tote bag. Doesn't really have the dimensions. I should have looked it up before making this video, but I will insert it on at the end of this video. But you can also look it up if you want, but I will try and insert it somewhere in this video just to give you an idea of how big it is. But as a reference, that's my body there, so it's not too bad actually. Look at that. Let's move that camera, stand up, there we go. That's how the bag looks like. I love it. Personally, I like it, and I think I'm gonna love it. So inside the bag, you'll see there is gonna be, sorry, adjusting it. You'll see just all the paper, and you will get, I believe this is the dust bag. Nice dust bag. Oh, look at that. So it's a MARC JACOBS dust bag. The way, and inside the bag looks, oh, I didn't realize there was like cardboard inside. I thought it was just, I was like, oh, is it plain or something? Alright, so they put cardboards inside. I think this is like, well, not like us, there's the only one, but like, you know, just to protect the sides of the bag, I guess. So into the bag looks like this. You can't really see because it's dark, but I'll show you. I'll bring it up. So the inside the bag, you'll see this side pocket. You have 1 and 2. You can put your phone or whatever you want to put in there, but I feel like you can, yeah, you can fit quite a lot in there. And then there is another zipper. Oh, the zipper is nice. That's what I've been hearing about it. So it's really nice and smooth, even on the inside. So you'll see this. It says MARC JACOBS. It's really cool. And oh, there's another card on this one. I guess this one will tell you like the, yeah. So it's like a leaflet on what the material is made of. So the natural canvas material on bag is meant to break in and wear with use. Anytime elapsed variance should not be viewed as a defect, but rather the beauty of a customized bag. Avoid repeated contact with other dyed materials and avoid overexposure to heat and direct sunlight, as color fading will occur. So they do have yeah, like a care instructions or something. Look at this. So it's quite good. So inside of the bag. Let me see if you can, yeah, there we go. So that's the color. That's a silica gel. Yeah, it's like a plain, but I like it because it is very, it takes its shape and it's very sturdy. So the zipper, look at how smooth that is. It's amazing. I'm happy with this purchase. We bought this for about 749 New Zealand dollar. Just so you have a price reference. I think in the US it would come a bit lower if it's US dollar, but otherwise that's cool. You can use that, or sometimes you can probably put this and insert it just in there. Doesn't matter, whichever you like to do, whatever you like to do. So that's it. Lovely. So I actually like it, and it's good because it takes its shape, so you don't have to put like a shape, like, I don't know, shape maintaining stuff. Yeah, so it has this white cream borders, and at the back it says MARC JACOBS style, the tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. So it has that one there. It is very nice. I like it. Honestly like it. But yeah, what's this? I feel like there's a bit of glue on my bag, but doesn't matter. Yeah, there's a bit of, I don't know if you can see that there, a bit of glue, but I'm pretty sure it comes off. But yeah, so this is the bag, and I will give you an update on how I find it, if it's actually really useful, or you know, using it for travel. What can I say about it? So I'll give you more of an a review of it once I've used it, because I feel like I should use it first before giving you guys a review. But yeah, overall, initially, like, my first impression on it, it's a nice big bag. If you're into shoulder bags and you don't mind having like heavy, because this will be heavy, because I'll bring quite a couple of stuff in it for myself and for my son. So it will be a heavy bag. So if you don't mind having a bag on your shoulder that's quite heavy, because I feel like if I buy the medium one, it probably won't fit everything that I want. I want a spacious bag, so I just went for the large one, really. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.